very excited about this wig unboxing today because this is my first Amore wig and I have only heard really great things. This is Stevie in the honey wheat. That honey wheat looks like a darker brown with a little bit of like lighter brown in there. Wow, this is a fully synthetic wig. Color actually says it's a light brown base with honey blonde highlights. So that's like the blonder highlights in there. We have bangs. From the crown, she's 17 inches long. Oh, wow, wow. These fibers are so soft. So she is a hard front. We have polyurethane here, which makes for more security. And then we have a double monofilament top. That is so comfortable, just very, very soft on your scalp. And you can part in any of this area. Ear tabs, open wefted, and she has clasp adjusters. Wow, this is going to be a very easy style to wear right out of the box. Look at that. Longer styles are always so much easier to maintain. When you treat them, you just add the heat and they're already straight, so you don't have to worry about putting styling back into them. She is very lightweight. Very lightweight. Feels really soft and smooth. Oh, and then we have these adorable bangs, which makes her right ready to wear right out of the box. You can just pull those right over and wear her right away. You could use a little heating tool to add a little lift in them if you want. That's probably what I'll end up doing. And let me just show you, since this is a fully synthetic wig, let me just show you without the fluorescent lights on. You can see that she is not a shiny wig. It's just my fluorescent lights. Here she is in the back, a nice long style. Very, very pretty. I am very impressed with her lower density. It makes it feel very, very realistic. I'm a 21-inch head and I am surprised that this fits me very good. Plus, let me just show you, I did pull it in a little bit, so you can also pull it out. I pulled the straps in like that and she fits very comfortably. This is truly an easy throw on and go style. Oh, just beautiful. Now, these bangs, you can do whatever you want with them. I usually just pull them over to the side. And remember, you can part her up here wherever you want. So if you wanted to like go to the side with the hair and then pull the bangs over, you can definitely do that. It just might need a little heat training, which you do with a steamer. Do not put hot tools on a fully synthetic wig. This is Stevie by Amore from Wig Studio 1, and make sure that you go over to Wig Studio 1's YouTube channel because I will be doing a full review on Stevie in honey wheat on there.